Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Hazee, and I'm back with another video. Today, we're dealing with Madam freaking Glam, okay? This is Kiss on the Cheek, a beautiful gel polish color. You guys, I'm going to be doing swatches for you. I'm going to be doing some nail art, and you are definitely going to see how I create some more press-on nails. You guys really love those videos, so I figured why not keep doing them for you guys, and it's honestly really fun to make. So this is Kiss on the Cheek, or Kiss on my cheek. I'll have all the colors and everything down below in the description box. And this shade right here, baby, this is a neon shade. And when I tell y'all, Madam Glam, they play no games, okay? I'm just really excited to use these products today. And for this nail art, besides the Madam Glam products, I'm also going to be using some Melody Susie glitter gel. You guys may have seen that in my previous video. This shade is so gorgeous, and these are the 3 colors I'll be using today. Also a white shade as well. And what is so good about this, Madam Glam also sent me their base coat and their top coat, so you guys are going to be seeing the full gist of everything. And like I said, y'all, I'm the queen of press on nails. We got some extra long stiletto nails, and I'm so excited. I love doing a stiletto set. It's just everything. So we're gonna go in with that base coat, okay? And the base coat is really good. What we're going to do is just make sure that all the polishes adhere onto the nail. Also, just to let you guys know as well, if you are making a set for someone, make sure it is their size. Also, you want to make sure that you are wearing gloves. The area that you're using is sanitized, as well as you do buff those nails, okay? The only way I'm not wearing any gloves, because this set is for me, okay? It's for me. And also, I'm not buffing it because this set is for me. If it is for a client or customer, make sure your area is sanitized, you're wearing gloves, as well as you do buff the base of the nail, so everything just can last a little bit longer and everything is sanitized and clean for your customer. So now that the base coat is cured, what I'm going to use is this polish, you guys. I raved about it in my last video. I'm not going to tell y'all the name of this polish because it has been sold out, and I'm scared it's going to sell out again, so I'm keeping this one to myself. But if I do find a dupe, I'll leave it down below in the description box. I will be using only 1 coat of this color. Also, just to let you guys know about the base coat, the consistency is actually really nice. It's not a thin coat, it's kind of thick. Like, it's the perfect consistency with that base coat. It's just enough thickness to actually build up the nail a little bit, so that's really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead, apply this beautiful shade to all of the nails, and then cure that for 60 seconds. If you are a nail tech, if you're making press on nails, y'all need this color. So y'all, this is where the fun begins. We're about to start our nail art. So I'm going in with that base coat again, and I'm going to put this on each nail before I do the actual nail art. So this base coat, I'm not going to cure it, and that is key to this design. You do not want to cure that base coat. You want to keep it wet, so when you go in with your lines and the art, everything just flows into each other, and you guys will definitely see what I mean. So the colors I'm going to be using is Kiss on the Cheek, as well as Pajama Party, the neon shade, the glitter shade, as well as the white gel polish. And you guys, these go together perfectly. You don't have to use these colors. You could go in with all blues and make like a nice ocean nail. That would be so pretty. Also, instead of that pink, you could do it on a clear nail. You could do it on a white nail. Any color you want, honestly, you could do this design on, and I think that'd be really cool. I might do black. So we're going in with this orange shade on the wet base coat, and you could see already how everything is just fluid, and everything is going to blend in perfectly together. So I'm not going to wipe my brush in between the colors, because like I said, I do want everything to blend in so it could just look really fluid and really nice. Also, you guys, I do have a code for Madam Glam, so you guys could save 30% off your next purchase with Madam Glam if you use my code DBeauty30. So that is really, really great. I do not make any money off of this. This is just a really special discount for you all, so you guys could check out Madam Glam and actually see how amazing the quality is. I feel like if you don't have Madam Glam, baby, then you really don't have nothing. It's really a great quality to use. The colors are so vibrant, and honestly, one coat is enough. So of course I'm just going in, I'm adding little details. So I have it's not really an orange shade. It's more of like a really peachy tone in person. The camera kind of have it really saturated, but it's more of a peachy tone. Then you go in with that really neon pink, which is gorgeous. After I go in with that shade, I actually go in with my glitter polish, and then I go in with the white. And you want to have fun, play around with the designs. Once you're done, you want to wipe the edges of each nail, and then just pop that baby in your lamp. You could do a flash cure and then cure everything again at the end once you're ready to do the top coat. So I'm just gonna go through all the nails, basically do the same thing, and then I really hope you guys enjoy this. Like, let me know down below if you're looking to make press-on nails or if you're just doing it for fun for yourself. Definitely let me know down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this video if you're new. Like, subscribe if you're new. I would definitely love to have more conversations with you guys. Definitely answer any questions that you guys may have. So on this now, I'm going in with the same thing, going in with that peachy shade, and then we're gonna follow that up with our hot pink. I'm really in love with this shade. After that, of course, we're gonna go in with our glitter just to give it a little bit of pizzazz. And like I said before, you guys don't have to use this color. I think blue would look so good. Using like a really navy blue with like a baby blue and maybe a turquoise in there with some whites. Oh my gosh, pretty ocean nails. If you guys would like to see me actually do that set, let me know. Matter of fact, I'll just do that regardless. So I'll make that set for you guys in the next video. And if you look now, I'm actually taking the nail that I'm doing and I'm lining them up so that way it looks like the lines are continuing with each other. You guys are going to see me do that for the rest of the nails. Just hold it up, line them together so everything could look very continuous and just flowy. So I think that's it. I'll come back at the end of the video just to show you guys as well how I applied the press-on nails. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I'm back. This is not the end of the video as of yet. We're gonna design this nail and you're gonna see that I'm gonna use that ring fingernail as an indicator on where to start that orange line with on the pinky nail. So we're applying that base coat and then we're gonna start our nail art just like that, you guys. And when I tell you this is the easiest set, and you can make this set look so elegant, or you could even add like gold flakes on it, you could add rhinestones on it. You could definitely make this set so classic, put your own twist to it, make the lines vertical, make them crisscross. Definitely do your own thing with it, have fun with this set. Of course, do what you think your client base would love, or do what you love. Again, you want to make sure that you wipe off the edges, because since the base coat isn't cured, the gel polish will be running to the sides. So definitely make sure that you do wipe the corners or the sides of each nail, and then go ahead and cure that. I do cure each layer, and when I say each layer, I mean like the base coats. I'll cure that pink gel polish I put on, I cured, and now this layer I'm going to cure for 60 seconds as well. And now, you guys, we're close. We're very, very close to the finished product. All we have to do is put this no wipe top coat on, you guys, and then we're absolutely done. And when I tell you, this was one of the quickest nail sets I've ever done. Like, believe me, when you do it, you're gonna be like, wait, what? That's it? So now, everything is cured. We're at the end. I'm going to apply these nails for you guys so you can see that my natural nail is pretty shiny. I do put on a layer of top coat on my nail so that way it's easy for me to just pop these nails off after the video, because I do change my nails oh so often to take photos for you guys with the nails. So I'm just applying this on with the glue that does come in with the kit. And again, you could also purchase these nails at OhdeeDripp.com. The link will be down below in the description box. And also don't forget to follow OhdeeDripp. You guys, it's just amazing. I want to thank everybody for their support. And when I tell y'all, we have so much coming for you guys, like, it's crazy. And look how easy these nails go on. Definitely make sure everything is a perfect fit for your clients. Include a sizing kit so it's easy for them to get the sizes. Also add a way where they could do their own measurements at home without purchasing a sizing kit as well. But yeah, this is the finished look. Oh, gorgeous. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to definitely follow me on Instagram at dbeautyforever, as well on OhdeeDripp, and go ahead and shop Melody Susie as well. See you guys in the next one.